extracts whitening herbal soap. This soap is made with carrots and honey, and it's been one of the best herbal soap that is mostly used by the people in Africa, or even everybody, not in Africa alone, everybody. But then in this video, I'm going to share my honest review on this extract whitening herbal soap made with carrots and honey. Beautiful people, this soap is very good for glowing the skin. It's very good for exfoliating the skin. It's very good for clearing acne on the face. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys what extracts whitening soap made with carrot and honey is. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, or what it does on the skin. And I'm going to share with you guys a few ingredients that I use to formulate this extract herbal soap made with a carrot and honey. I'll share with you guys who should use this soap, how you should use it, and also the side effect of using this soap. Anytime I'm doing a video or a review on a product, I love to state what it does, how you should use it, the side effect, so that you should know what exactly to use on your skin. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. Extract whitening carrot soap is a newly improved soap that is formulated to nourish the skin, to make the skin very firm, and its ingredients that are used to formulate this soap clears dark spots on the skin, clears blemishes on the skin, and they also exfoliate and make the skin very smooth. The ingredients that are used to formulate this soap also helps to remove dead skin cell on the skin. Okay, so why you should use this soap and what roles it plays on the skin. It clears spots on the skin, it removes dead skin cell, it glows the skin, it's brightening and it's lightening the skin, and it's made with carrots and honey. This soap is not recommended for everybody. There are some people that react to carrots and honey, and there are some people that react to only honey. So if you are the type with a sensitive skin and you notice that if you use a product made with honey react on your skin, then you don't have to attempt using this soap. Okay, a normal skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, and also an oily skin person can use it. If you are a sensitive skin person, be critical careful before using this soap. A dark skin person can use it as well. A caramel skin person can use it, a light skin person can use it, and a fairer skin person can use it. In fact, everybody can use this soap. It's very good for everybody, and it smells so nice. This is the newly improved extracts whitening carrot soap. They have the smaller size, which is also made with carrots, and they have the one made with vitamin C as well. And you know, anytime you are buying this extract whitening soap made with the carrots, make sure you get the original one, because there are people producing the fake ones. Okay, so make sure you get the original one and use on the skin. And this is how you are supposed to use this soap, because it contains body scrub. Make sure that you add water to it and apply it on the skin per minute, like 20 minutes to 30 minutes before going to the bathhouse. When it happens like that, it brings out your natural glow, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, and also it gives you that kind of even toned skin, and it has a very nice fragrance. It smells very well. It smells like carrots, it smells like vitamin C. The ingredients that are used to formulate this extracts whitening soap made with the carrot and honey are honey, carrot, vitamin C, kojic acid, aha, fragrance, and aqua. You know, I said I'll mention only a few of the ingredients, okay, and it's for everybody, okay. But then these are the side effects of using this soap. It itches the skin, and it gives dark knuckles. Okay, and sometimes if you are a sensitive skin person and you are using it, you end up having white dots on the skin, like eczema or something like that. So if you are using it and you notice any of the challenges, you should please put a stop to it. Okay, and moreover, if you are a dry skin person, you could notice that when you use it, your skin becomes so dry. So you should get a moisturizer, so that after using it, or an oil, so that after using it, you can use the oil on your skin. It clears acne as well. It clears sunburn. It clears dark spots on your face. So you can use it on the face to remove all those problems on the face. But then do not use it directly on the face. Sometimes if you have a sensitive skin and you use the soap direct on the face, you end up having a bit of burns on your face and a bit of itches on your face. So this is how you are supposed to use it. If you want to use it to clear your dark spots or your acne on your face, make sure you use it on a face towel, add water to it, and use it to clean your face very well. It lightens the skin, it brightens the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very firm, it makes the skin very smooth, it removes dead skin cell, it exfoliates the skin, and it smells very nice. So lovers, if you have ever used the newly improved extract whitening soap made with the carrots and honey, you can share your testimony with us, or you can leave a comment under the video. Okay, but then I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, so that anytime a video is being shared on this channel, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I do really appreciate you all. And to my return subscribers, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for coming back to the channel and also supporting this channel as well. I love you so much, and I really appreciate you. Please do ask questions, do like ask. If you don't understand anything, do well to ask a question, so that you will get a response from me. It's very good to ask a question if you don't understand anything. And if you are battling with any skin challenges, or you have any skin problem like stretch marks, dark knuckles, pimples, dark spots, you have uneven toned skin, you feel embarrassed to step out in your skin, please, Latini Skincare, we find solution for people having issues with their skin. And moreover, we have the best affordable products that you can use on your skin to glow your skin, to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin. And we have the best bathing soap for all skin type. Okay, so please, you can check in my bio and use any of the links there to get in touch with Latini Skincare. You can also find us on Instagram at Latini Skincare. You can find us on TikTok at Latini Skincare, and also Facebook Latini Skincare. If you go on Instagram, you will see the reviews from people who have used Latini products. Trust me, we formulate the best luxurious product from Latini, okay? And we ship to all nationwide. You know, distance is never a problem. So if you are battling with any skin problem, you have used a cream that has damaged your skin, trust me, we are there to find solution to your skin problems. Get in touch with us and let's help you out. Thank you so much, and do have a nice day. Bye-bye.